Take a ride in the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.